Good morning, students. Students, we have studied phrase and adverb phrase. Phrase, it is a group of words that does not have a subject, does not have a verb, and does not have complete meaning. An adverb phrase, it is a phrase that does the function of an adverb in a sentence. Now here in this video, we are going to solve one of the exercises based on adverb phrase from our workbook. Workbook page number 54 and exercise C2. This exercise C2 on page number 54 of your workbook, it is based on adverb phrase. The question is, pick out the adverb phrases from the following sentences. We are given sentences and we have to pick out the adverb phrases. Now instead of picking out them, we will underline the adverb phrases. I repeat, instead of picking out the adverb phrases, we will underline them. Let's see the first sentence. The boxer was advised to have a checkup thrice a month. The boxer was advised to have a checkup thrice a month. In this sentence, the adverb phrase is thrice a month. Thrice a month. It shows how many times the action is done. To have a checkup, how many times? Thrice a month. So thrice a month, it is an adverb phrase. Next sentence, it was sunny in the morning. In this sentence, in the morning, it shows time. So in the morning, it is an adverb phrase. Third, we shall come on Monday if possible. Here already we have seen in example if possible. It is an adverb phrase. Fourth sentence, if you do something in a hurry, you will always make a mistake. In this sentence, two clauses are there. If you do something in a hurry, and you will always make a mistake. In these two clauses, in the second clause, you will always make a mistake. There is not a phrase. If you do something in a hurry, there is a phrase and it is in a hurry. If you do, when, if you do, how? In a hurry. So in a hurry, it modifies the verb do. So in a hurry, it is an adverb phrase. We continue our exercise C2 from our workbook, page number 54. The fifth sentence is, the nurse bandaged the patient with great care. The nurse bandaged the patient with great care. In this sentence, the adverb phrase is with great care. With great care. How the nurse bandaged the patient? With great care. So it shows manner. This phrase, it shows manner. So it is an adverb phrase. Next, Rohan performs in an intelligent manner. Rohan performs in an intelligent manner. In this sentence, the adverb phrase is in an intelligent manner. How Rohan performs? In an intelligent manner. So an intelligent manner, it modifies the verb. So it is an adverb phrase. Next sentence, he was standing there at the corner. He was standing there at the corner. Here, the adverb phrase is at the corner. At the corner, it modifies another adverb there. We know there it is adverb of place. There it is adverb of place, and this adverb of place it modifies by another group of words, that is at the corner. So at the corner it is an adverb phrase. So we have to underline at the corner. And the last sentence, I promise to finish the work in an hour. In this sentence, in an hour, that is an adverb phrase, and it modifies the verb finish. Finish when? In an hour. So in an hour, that is an adverb phrase. Students, I hope you have understood how to identify adverb phrase. Before ending this adverb phrase, once again I am telling you, a phrase that is a group of words that does not have a subject, that does not have a verb, and that does not have complete meaning. It can be a part of a sentence. Adverb phrase, it is a phrase that does the function of an adverb in the sentence. Thank you, students.